Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in. If you're looking for some rugged protection for your Watch 7 Ultra, then stay tuned as I talk about the sub case, UB Pro case, and the Armorbox case for the Watch 7 Ultra right after this. Let's jump right in. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it out as it truly does help out my channel. This is the sub case UB Pro case for the Watch 7 Ultra. Let's go ahead and get this open. Microfiber cleaning cloth. This is tempered glass, as you can see here. I'm not going to install this for this video, but you do have that option to give this full ultimate protection. And they even included a second one. It's really nice. Let's go ahead and remove the bands. This should be quite an easy install. And then just drop this on top. Probably going in the angle first. And it has the orange color scheme, as you can see there, which is cool. Let's go ahead and pop that in. And that's it. Let's see how it looks on my wrist. There it is. Really nice. Nice protection. Again, you can put that screen protector in there for ultimate protection. But as you can see, there is a nice distance between the case and the bezel and screen. If you can see that there. So it will protect the surface, but again, adding that screen protector on there will give it that full protection. This will be perfect, again, for heavy activity, heavy outdoor activity, and you could be in style and still have protection on your watch. Cutouts on this side. Then you have access to the buttons on this side, as you can see. Really nice. Feels quite comfortable. Doesn't feel too tight. It's not squeezing. Nice and comfortable. And as you can see, there's access to the buttons. If I go ahead and press this button here, of course, easy. Works out just fine. Removing it is quite easy. Just push down here, pull up on the case, comes right out. Let's take a look at the Armorbox case for the Watch 7 Ultra. And they included 2 screen protectors. So that's nice. You have a spare. And then you have the wipes and what you need to clean the screen before installing the screen protectors. Go ahead and get this ready for the watch. Same deal. Let's go ahead and pop this in. There you go. Looks really nice. Got the cutouts there on the side. Then access to the buttons, as you can see there. Feels really nice, nice and comfortable. And again, you have the nice rugged protection. You can see the screen and the bezel is protected. Now, if you're interested in either one of these cases, of course, I will have links posted in the description section of this video. But this completes my review for the sub case UB Pro case for the Watch 7 Ultra and the Armorbox case for the Watch 7 Ultra.